Alright, so this is going to be a Costco sale item review of these Kirkland Signature Elegant Plastic Plates. Alright, so price of this, normally $12.99, it was $3 off, so basically $10 for 50 plates. Not bad, 2 cents a piece? Wait, no, what am I, how's my math going? So 2 cents would make that $1, so 20 cents a piece, right? Am I doing the math right? I hope so. Alright, anyways, here you go. Elegant plastic plates, premium heavyweight. They have it in Spanish as well. Okay. Not for microwave use. Hand wash to reuse. Okay. Made in America. 25 of each. So 25 7.5 inch and 10.5 inch. So there's 25 of each to get 50 total. Here we go. Elegant plastic plates, premium heavyweight. Not for microwave use. Okay, make sure you don't microwave these. Okay, and here you go. So right now, I guess if you can't microwave it, the only real benefit of this is they look fancier. Because the paper plates, you can microwave them. These you can't. All right, and hand wash, I guess you can reuse them as well, as long as you're not using anything that's gonna mess them up. Paper box is recyclable, and the plastic plates are recyclable if you take them to the right places, apparently, and you want to rinse them. UPC code right there. There's the distribution information, and if you're not satisfied, then you can return it. All right, let's go ahead and pop this open. They package the little plates separately, it looks like, and the big plates are just loose, so you have a separate thing here. Okay, so you have plates for like cake or whatever. They put a little thingy in here to kind of help space it. And there's some random numbers on there. Okay, so here are the plates. They're super light, okay? They feel like very thin Frisbees. Here you can see what the design looks like. I guess if you're looking from afar, you can somewhat take them for ceramic. Maybe for photos they'll come out as looking as ceramic, but yeah, I don't know. I would say just go with the paper ones, but these are more sturdy. Okay, and here are the mini ones, so same exact design. All right, let's pop this open. I guess if you're having a party with 25 people or so, or if some people will prefer to use or be okay using a small plate to eat the same food, then this pack will work for 25 plus people. Okay, depending what you're planning to do with it. Obviously, you got 25 of them. All right, and the bottom, you do have like the injection mold little dot dimple there. Has this little ring to kind of raise it off the surface of the table a little bit. Same thing with the big one. Not really much else to say about it. They're plastic plates. Again, they're not microwave safe, so you probably want to avoid putting like super hot foods on here, because that's probably going to screw it up. Yeah, I don't right now have any food that's that hot, but we're going to have a late Thanksgiving meal with this, and we'll use them. And then maybe we'll wash it and see what it looks like after. Then I'll show you. Obviously, if you're using the scrubby side, we're probably going to get some scratches on here, but we'll see if we can clean it with just the spongy side. It depends what you eat on it and what sticks to it. All right, that's it for now. I'll see you guys after we use them and wash them up. See you guys then. Bye for now. All right, so here are the plates after our Thanksgiving dinner, or lunch and dinner. I washed them all, as you can see. There is one downside with these, so I just let people throw them in however we threw them into the sink with all the other dishes. You can see there's a little bit of grease. The grease sticks to the plastic well, so it's really hard to kind of get it all completely out. And I actually washed them twice, so okay. But that's not the downside I'm talking about. It's nice that they stack so nice and thin together. So this is probably about the weight of maybe 1 or 2 ceramic plates, the entire stack here. We used, let me see how many, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we used 11 of these plates. And again, the downside that I'm talking about isn't the grease. Here you can see I was washing them and I was like, what's that sound? And you can see this one's cracked. Okay, so I don't know, you can see how it like, okay, they were just stacked normally with the other dishes. I don't know if it's like maybe a deeper dish was there and then something was put on top, but you saw how easy it was to crack. So like, you see that they snap apart. So the thing I was thinking is, oh, they're plastic, they shouldn't really break that easily. But you see that this one, look, okay, you can see the crack here, crack here. Okay, so these, they kind of snap apart really easily. So I mean, if we were using ceramic ones, we wouldn't have this issue. They wouldn't be broken. Obviously, they're cheap and they're like throw away. You can't microwave these or anything. These ones all seem okay. So what was that? 2 so far that were broken. I think there were like at least 3 or 4 that broke from just being placed in the sink with other dishes. So yeah, okay, see, this one has like a big like X across it, and you can see it's like indented here. Okay, so yeah, that they're not super reusable. If that's the case, you'd have to like keep them all separate, maybe on the counter if you're gonna throw them. And if you left stuff in your plate and you put things on top like a utensil or something, then there's a good chance you're gonna end up breaking these. So keep that in mind. They're not super durable, even though they're plastic. I don't know why they decided to use this kind of brittle plastic, because there's a lot of different kinds of plastics they could have used that would have worked better. Wouldn't have this, like, you see that? Like, it breaks pretty easily, okay? I told them not to microwave it. They didn't microwave them, and it's just brittle like that. So keep that in mind. And then it doesn't form like super sharp points. Like, you're not going to get cut like if it were ceramic as easily. I mean, I'm sure you could cut yourself with it if you tried. But yeah, so keep that in mind. Of the 11 plates we got, was that 2, 4, 6, 8? So 4 of them were cracking and broken, and you can't reuse them when they're like that. If you put anything liquid, it's going to leak through. If you're still using dry food with it, I guess you can use it, but yeah, I mean, who would reuse cracked, broken plates like that? So keep that in mind. Would I recommend these? I guess if you're planning to just throw them away and you just want something a little fancier than paper plates, yeah, sure. If you're planning on keeping them for like using over and over again, probably not. So yeah, that's my review. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. They are washable and reusable. Again, if there's some greasy stuff in it, it's a little bit difficult to get all the grease out of it. So keep that in mind. And other than that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.